Dear children, we finished the first part of the liquid measurement lesson by asking how to determine the amount of liquid in milliliter and liter. We have a beaker and a measuring cylinder. Let's pour the same amount of water from this cup into these two containers. Dear children, according to the bottom of the container, did you see that the water level is varying? Now let's see what is the amount of liquid in 1 milliliter. The height of the glass box, which you can see, is 1 centimeter. The length of it is 1 centimeter. The width of it is 1 centimeter. Now let's fill this box completely with water. This is the amount of 1 milliliter. 500 milliliters means the amount of liquid obtained when poured 500 times from the amount of 1 milliliter we filled. 1 liter means the amount of liquid obtained when poured 1000 times from the amount of 1 milliliter we filled. Dear children, this is 1 liter bottle of coconut oil. Can you tell how much more coconut oil is needed to fill this bottle completely? Dear children, in such situations, we can get the answer after representing liquid measurements expressed in liters in terms of milliliters. Dear children, let's represent liquid measurements expressed in liters in terms of milliliters. Since the amount of 1 liter is 1000 milliliters, the amount of 2 liters is 2000 milliliters. The amount of 3 liters is 3000 milliliters. The amount of 4 liters is 4000 milliliters. Accordingly, to express a quantity of liquid given in liters, in terms of milliliters, the number of liters has to be multiplied by 1000. In the first part of the liquid measurement lesson, we saw that 15 liters of petrol was pumped into a motor vehicle. Let's express this amount of liquid in milliliters. The answer is 15,000 milliliters. Now let's do this exercise. Let's represent liquid measurements, expressed in milliliters, in terms of liters. Since the amount of 1000 milliliters is 1 liter, the amount of 2000 milliliters is 2 liters, the amount of 3000 milliliters is 3 liters, the amount of 4000 milliliters is 4 liters. Accordingly, to represent liquid measurements expressed in milliliters in terms of liters, the amount in milliliters need to be divided by 1000. Dear children, do you remember how we expressed 875 centimeters, in terms of meters and centimeters. The amount of centimeters was written as lesser than 100. Isn't it? Let's see an example. When expressing 5,350 milliliters, in terms of liters and milliliters, we write it as 5 liters and 350 milliliters. Dear children, let's do this exercise to recall what we have learned in this lesson. Dear children, let's meet from another lesson on liquid measurements. Goodbye.